Hello and welcome to Skill Punch, where we pack a punch with our skills. Today, we're diving into the world of motion graphic animation. Picture this, a heart-touching status video crafted by you and all with just a few simple steps. We're using Canva, a versatile tool that lets your creativity flow. From selecting the perfect template to adding a personal touch with text and animated elements, we've got it all covered. With a few easy steps, anyone can create a beautiful status video. Firstly, navigate to the social media category and select the WhatsApp template. Welcome to the blank canvas. This is where our creative journey begins. Now, let's dive into the left panel and click on Elements. Type background in the search bar. Pick a simple background that resonates with your message. Once selected, increase the size of the background image until it fills the screen, then lock it in place. Next, we'll add some text. Click on the text option and let's write a touching heading, something like, "You touched my heart." Alright, let's bring some life to this status. Head back to Elements and search for Heart. Click on Graphics and voila, a plethora of animated heart stickers to choose from. For this example, let's select the red heart smiling face sticker. But what's a heart without a touch, right? So, in your next step, go back to Elements and search for hand cursor click. This will symbolize the act of touching the heart. Now, it's time for some magic. Let's animate the background. Unlock the background image, select it, and go to the Animate menu. Choose the Rotate animation. This will give a subtle yet engaging effect. Let's not forget our text. Change the color to match your theme. And animate it with a burst animation effect. This will make your words pop and capture attention. And now, the moment of truth. Let's play the video to check the animation. If it's to your liking, our video is ready to download. To download, simply click on Share and click on Download. Select the MP4 video format and click on Download. And there you have it, your very own heart-touching status video. With a few simple steps, you've created something beautiful and emotive that will surely resonate with your audience. Remember, the key to a great status video is simplicity, emotion, and a touch of creativity. So, go ahead, create, share, and touch hearts with your own status videos. And of course, stay tuned to Skill Punch for more tutorial videos like this one.